The next topic is the fundamental unit of life, that means cell. What is cell? Cell is the basic unit of living being. All living organisms are made up of cells. Cell is structurally and functional unit of living organisms. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665 in cork quercus plant. The scientific name of cork plant is quercus. Quercus plant. He made thin sections and observed under self-made microscope and saw that honeycomb-like structure. मधुमक्खी के छत्ते के समान संरचनाएं. Honeycomb-like structure. These empty spaces, the empty spaces are called as cellula. Cellula, which literal meaning is small room or small chamber. These cells are dead. These cells are dead. The first living cell was observed by Antony van Leeuwenhoek in 1674. Study of cell and their component is called as cytology. The branch of biology which deals with the study of cell and their components and their suborganelles is known as cytology. Here, few discoveries related with the cells are as follows. Robert Hooke, 1665, presence of cells. Leeuwenhoek, 1674, found the presence of living cells in the pond water. Robert Brown, 1831, recognized the existence of nucleus in the cell. Purkinje, 1839, gave the term protoplasm. Sladen and Swan, 1838-39, proposed cell theory. Virchow suggested that all the cells come from the cell which are already exist in nature. Next topic is cell theory. Cell theory was proposed by Sladen and Swan in 1838-39. According to this theory, all the organisms are made up of cells. Cell is the structural and functional unit of living being. All the cells basically alike in their chemical composition and metabolic activities. According to Rudolf Virchow, all the cells arise from the pre-existing ones. Omnis cellula is cellula. That means, suppose this is cell. From this cell, new cells arise. From this, new cells arise. From this, new cells arise. That means the new cells arise from the pre-existing ones. पहले से उपस्थित सेल से ही नई सेल्स बनती हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई हवा में ही एक ऐसी सेल बन जाएगी. और ये जो सेल आई है, इस सेल की स्टडी, जो फर्स्ट सेल बना उसकी स्टडी हम लोग ओरिजिन ऑफ लाइफ में स्टडी करेंगे. टाइप्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नंबर ऑफ सेल्स. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स, unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Those organisms which consist of single cell are called as unicellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium, euglena. While the multicellular organisms, those cells which are composed of more than one type of one cells are called as multicellular organisms like plants, fungi, animals, humans, etc. Yes. These are the examples of the multicellular organisms. Shape of the cell. From body to body, from species to species, from organ to organ, shape of cell vary. That means some cells are of long thread-like structures like axon. White blood cells have no definite shape like amoeba. RBC has a biconcave shape. So they vary in their shapes in a large range. The size of cell. The smallest cell is Mycoplasma gallisepticum, PP yellow, Pneumonia like organism, 0.1 to 1 micron in length. Longest cell, nerve cell, approximate 99 centimeter long. Largest cell, ostrich egg, approximate 18 centimeter in diameter. Stabularia is the algal cell which is approximately 10 centimeter long. Stabularia. Types of cells. On the basis of presence of nucleus, cells are of two types: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Pro means primitive. Karyon means nucleus. Pro means primitive, karyon means nucleus. That means those cells which have primitive type of nucleus or which don't have nucleus are called as prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells are the cells that do not have true nucleus and membrane bound organelles. Prokaryotic cells consist of single membrane and therefore all their reactions occur within the cytoplasm. They can free living as parasites. They can be free living or parasites. Characteristic features of prokaryotic cell: they lack nuclear membrane, membrane bound organelles, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. are absent. Nucleus, nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, etc. are absent. Genetic material, that means chromosome or DNA, is found in the cytoplasm, not in the nucleoplasm. The genetic material found in the cytoplasm is called as genophore or nucleoid or genophore, Genophore. Genetic material is present present on a single chromosome. Histone protein not associated with the chromosomes. Cell wall is made up of carbohydrate and amino acids. Plasma membrane acts as mitochondrial membrane called mesosomes, carrying respiratory enzymes. They divide asexually by the binary fission. The sexual mode of reproduction involves conjugation. Prokaryotic cells. Here the basic structure of prokaryotic cell structure are given. The following structures are found: capsule, the outermost thick covering layer which protect the cell from damage. Next layer is cell wall. This cell wall is the second outermost layer. Yes, you can see in this figure. This is a liquid portion. Green portion is cytoplasm, in which several particles are found. This is capsule, outermost layer. This is capsule, outermost layer. After that, cell wall is found, and after that, actually this is capsule, this is cell wall, and this is plasma membrane. This is cytoplasm, this is chromosome, this is mesosome, this is flagellum. This is the basic structure of the prokaryotic cell. In cytoplasm, several structures are found, like plasmids, chromosomes, plasmids, ribosomes, etc. Cell membrane or plasma lemma. This is the outermost covering layer which surrounds the cytoplasm and makes a limit the cell from their external environment. Pili. These are the hair-like outgrowths that attach on the surface of the other bacterial cells. Flagella. These are the long thread-like structure, whip-like structure which help in the locomotion. Flagella do not have 9+2 arrangement. We will discuss in the centriole topic. Ribosome. In prokaryote, 70S type of ribosomes are found. They are involved in the protein synthesis. Plasmids. They are the extra chromosomal DNA structure. They do not involve in the reproduction. Nucleoid region. It is the region of the cytoplasm where genetic material is present. Genetic material or DNA, it is the genetic material of the cell. DNA is the genetic material of the cell. All the prokaryotic possess a circular DNA. It directs what protein of the cell creates. it also regulates the action of the cell, eukaryotic cell. This is discussed tomorrow. Thank you.